Hello, it's Jackie Green from GA Interior Solutions, where we are helping build a stronger design community through professional training and educational resources. Today I have a quick tutorial on how to organize your model using tags in SketchUp 2020. Tags are located in the default tray to the right of your model space. If you do not have tags showing, click the Windows tab, Default Tray, and make sure your Tags button is checked. First, I will show you how to add new tags. In this model, I am beginning to create a house, and I have created exterior walls and interior walls. I would like to add tags to help me stay organized, as well as allow me to turn on and off different items in my model. I am going to start with creating a tag for the exterior walls. I click the plus sign, and I immediately name it Exterior Walls. I click the plus sign again, and create Interior Walls. Now that I've done that, I can go click in my model, the exterior walls, and go up to the entity info box here, and I can tag those as exterior walls. So now if I turn off and on the exterior walls by clicking this eye here, that layer will turn on and off, and I'm able to work within my model more efficiently. Now I can also do the same by clicking all my interior walls and adding those to the interior wall. Again, if I just click that little button next to the interior walls, I can turn them on and off. Now let's take a closer look here. This is eventually going to be a kitchen. I have a tile here and I have a floor. So obviously I'm going to create a floor tag, add that to my floor. Again, turn on and off. Here I have a tile, so I'm going to add a tile tag. I have it selected still, so I can just go up here and add it to my tile tag. Now, if I go ahead and copy this one, let's see here, we'll copy it 6 times. There we go. Notice that no matter which one I click on, it's still under the tile. If I want to combine these 2 layers into one tag, I will activate the floor tile by clicking over to the right. The pencil, notice, has moved now from the untagged down to the floor tag, and that tells me that I have activated that one. If I want to combine the tile and the floor, I've activated floor. I'm going to hit select the tile. It's now blue. Click the negative sign, says delete tag, and I will get a pop-up box. This pop-up box tells me I can move contents to the default tray, the default tag. Default tag is the untagged. I can move contents to the current tag, and that's what I want to do because my pencil is there at the current tag of floor, or I can delete the contents altogether. I don't want to do that, of course, so I'm going to move it to the current tag, say OK. Now when I turn on and off the floor, oops, it tells me you cannot do this because that is your current tag. So I'm going to go back and reselect the untagged. My pencil's now back up there, and I can go ahead and turn on and off my floor. When we use tags, we can control what is showing at any given time while we are modeling. Tags are a great way to organize your model and allow you more control. Be cautious though, too many tags will cause slowdown in your model. Once I'm done modeling, I like to combine the tags just like I did earlier using the floor and tile tags. This cleans up my model. I hope you found this free tutorial helpful. If you would like to receive more SketchUp tutorials or other training tips, feel free to sign up at gainteriorsolutions.com/SketchUp.